As the surge for a COVID-19 vaccine continues, antibody testing has become a popular practice. Fox 44's Cameron Stewart talked to one ER today that is beginning antibody testing right here in Central Texas. Hey, Cameron.
Hey, Noelle. Several premier ER locations, including those in Waco and Woodway, are introducing antibody testing. The goal? Get that much closer to an elusive coronavirus vaccine.
And the antibodies can absolutely help lead to a vaccine. It can really help us get through all of the next several stages of progression of getting to the other side of this.
Premier ER is calling on COVID-19 survivors to help get more information on the virus. The locations in Waco and Woodway are among the ones doing antibody testing, and they need a hand from those who have already fought it off.
Really anyone that may have had an exposure, whether it was a family member or they work in healthcare or anything like that, anyone that may have been sick in the last several months that are wondering is that what the illness was, or anyone who's thinking or trying to get back to work. Employers, many of them are asking, can we send staff in to make sure that either they have it or if they did have it, that it's in the past.
An antibody test is done to show whether the person actually had the virus, and if they did and survived it, their antibodies will show how sick they were and how immune they were to the virus. This could potentially be crucial information for vaccine researchers.
It's definitely going to help scientists with understanding how sick did this make patients or persons, how difficult was this to overcome, or how many people are out in the community who have had it and had no idea. They didn't know that if they didn't have symptoms, things like that. So it really helps scientists with those answers.
Ascension Providence Dr. Jackson Griggs warns about putting too much faith into antibody testing. If the person isn't certain they had the virus and overcame it, it can lead to misleading results and could put them at risk for actually catching it.
If they're under that impression that they're now immune to the virus, and the truth is that's based on inaccurate information, wrong information, then they unwittingly expose themselves to the disease.
If you are certain you had the virus and beat it, the simple blood test could be a great help without hurting you at all.
It's very low risk. There's no major risks of having a blood draw done. All it really does, the main benefit is giving you the information, and that right now is very powerful. I think that, thinking about risks and benefits, the risks are so low and the benefit is so high.
The folks at Premier ER say you can get your antibody testing by first making an appointment and then calling their COVID-19 hotline. You can find that number on our website, fox44news.com. Live in the studio, I'm Cameron Stewart, Fox 44 News.